This tutorial review will show you how to fix standby mode not working on iPhone. To solve this issue, first of all, you have to enable standby mode. To do that, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on standby and make sure to enable standby mode. Once it's enabled, you have to charge your iPhone. So plug in the charging cable and now lock your iPhone and put your iPhone on a stand in landscape mode. And as you can see, the standby mode is working properly. So this is how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.